Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to restrict other group members from adding new member by changing the group setting in WhatsApp. So only admin can add any member. No other WhatsApp group members cannot add new members. So we are in WhatsApp group. On top you see my files group name. So tap on it or click on it. So we are in group setting and then you see group permission. So click on it. So we are in group permission. Now you see my files, members can, and then you see add other members. So by default it's enabled. So members can add another members in our WhatsApp group, but we are going to disable it or block. Okay. Now you see we disable this setting and only admin can add new member in this WhatsApp group. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.